Oh hey, looks like they're setting up the auto show. And there's already some cars already.
Yep, like on the way in, they were driving the cars in.
And
So,
it smells like gasoline too.
gas. Not gonna be playing that song.
And that's the map of the YWI.
It's all gonna come down tomorrow.
And it's gonna start tomorrow.
We would try to get out here tomorrow too.
Yeah, you guys actually see it tomorrow too. Yeah, have plenty of time.
Maybe on Saturday we were actually gonna come.
Yeah, you're actually gonna come on Saturday. And
It's the setup. Behind the scenes.
you guys see the behind the scenes. And there's a bunch of signs already. And that's where you buy the tickets. Ooh, yeah, you can see it. Yeah, the car's already in. Here's a sneak peek. Yeah.
I remember 2 years ago seeing them clean up. Now we
Yeah.
set up.
Yeah, we see them cleaning up like 2 years ago.
We saw them.
See all the cars driving out of the building
Now
and
it's live.
making the whole place smell like gasoline.
We go again, but making the opposite.
Yeah. Yeah, the gasoline smells so strong last time.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet here.
Yeah.
Kind of awkward.
Pretty quiet.
See no echo and stuff.
Yeah, they're just setting up the place right now. That's all they do.
While we are talking in the middle of silence.
Yeah, it's quiet.
Once again.
Yeah, looks like they don't make too much noise when you're just setting up stuff.
We make a lot of smell. Okay.
Yeah, gasoline.
He said it was too quiet. Here we go.
Okay.
Don't say it was too quiet.
Yes. He's on the side. Yeah, he's on the other side. More cars. And
Blowing down.
you made everything. And yeah, some people in there too.
Yep.
And looks like they are almost done setting this place up. To me.
And also another door is open.
And another door open.
Another angle.
So that's how the cars get in to that door.
We saw him get out that door too.
Yeah, 2 years ago. And that space is empty for now. Yeah, you need to put more cars there, whatever.
It's still in progress. As you can see there.
And I found the elevator too.
Video of this guy.
Oh my god. Yeah, accidentally found another elevator while just looking at the setup for the auto show tomorrow.
Wow, win-win!
Woo!
On top of the
Yeah.
behind the scenes, we got another elevator.
Yeah, elevator. Okay, maybe take that elevator in this video. And keep taking this video too.
We're gonna make a video about it later.
Yeah, you gotta make
We're just
a video about it. Yeah, you can take it for fun too.
Smells really in here.
And it smells like cleaning product in here.
Smells like cleaners or something.
And door cart so.
Like, every door in here is so.
And there's a door on the other side
Yep,
too.
double door.
You're gonna open on the other side for part
This
two.
is elevated.
I
Have
did.
2 doors. Let's see which one is gonna open right now. Left or right? Seems like it's forward, aka my right. Here we go. What is on 4-2? Nothing much. It's
I
just
see 4-2.
sometimes you can hear a pin drop. Are you kidding me? Dropping like a Tropicana. Oh, what is next? Nothing much again. Just a freaking hallway with nothing much whatsoever. Okay, there's nothing here, but other than that, just boom.
Yeah, just that's it.
Here we go again. Back to
Looking very dead.
Are you kidding?
It's very dead over here.
Well. It's so freaking silent. It's so freaking dead. So more doors be scraping their freaking bottoms. What is going on? This is freaking Ellie. I have no clue, but we're going down. This elevator is so squeaky. Are you kidding me? What? Ay. Going down to floor 1. Of course, this door about to open. 3, 2, 1. We hit rock bottom. Open up. And it's about to open.
Yeah.
Come on right now. Officially, it is
slow.
open.
Door
Okay,
open.
why is it so
The
slow?
elevator
What
will open. I don't know, so it'll be kind of slow down to me.
Of course,
Oh
this
my
is literally an
gosh.
elevator channel. We gotta take the elevator.
Yeah,
We can't turn it down.
yeah, you gotta have elevators and everywhere.
Smell of nostalgia.
Smell like new coins.
Which gives me nostalgia.
Yeah.
Of the past 2 years of coming here.
Yeah. And another door opened up there too. Okay, this is it. And this is the behind the scenes of the auto show
What's in the
before and open. And also a new elevator found too.